So late. So late. The tour start around 10 minutes. And ako macam tilalay the apartment. So I'm sweating already. But look, the sun is out. Skies are blue. Where am I? Okay. Be right back, guys. I freaking made it. God. Nalira ang bupalo ko. Fudge! I was panicking. I thought it was just... Because I was supposed to be at 1. So, daripada apartment kemari, around 25 minutes. So, naputulak. I think around 12:30. And then, punya bus ko, habis na lagi punya credit niya. Pas metro ko, habis lagi credit niya. So, you can imagine how stressful it was. So, instead of walking, aku brisk walking. Alright, bye. I'll see you later. That's where I'm staying, guys. There. Close. Tapi nggak pernah nampak. There's the Orison Bridge. The Orison Bridge itu yang link from Denmark to Sweden. What it does is, once kamu lintas, and then invisible because it goes under the water, and then baru ke Sweden. I just want to show you this is where I stand.
1943. That was the Second War. I was much sketchy.
That building is where I stand.
So, right now we are in the newest neighborhood of Copenhagen. It's called the North Harbor.
Oh, we're staying here.
Yeah, me too. I stay there.
So
that's where I stay.
We're staying here.
It's a project by Copenhagen, Berlin. Which is like a Danish gym. And it's our old industrial house.
Is this your hotel right here?
No, mine is there. It's an apartment. Yeah, just this one. This one. Oh, the one that the
Oh,
yeah.
is that a nice one?
It is.
Yeah.
It's
You know, they mark the document.
yeah.
It goes like 30 It's a pretty expensive. But the idea behind it there is to create a type out here.
I am now around somewhere I don't know. Just gonna walk wherever. That means there's a metro here. Metro is Copenhagen. But first, look at that. Go. You want to try one? I love Mickey, Mickey, Mom. Wait, shh. Ôi đâu.